This is me watching my YouTube channel. So this video is very interesting for you because in this video I'll tell you how to generate massive income from the WIX website. If you want to generate massive income from the WIX website, so this video is only for you, because in this video I'll tell you my experience, how did I run massive income from the WIX website especially. So this video is very interesting for you. In this video I'll tell you step-by-step guidance, how did I SEO, how did I rank, how did I listing my product on the WIX website, especially step-by-step guidance I'll provide you in this one video. So I'm request, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And especially I live in New York City, so in this video I'll tell you and my experience, how did I sell out my product on the WIX website and how did I listing my product in the WIX website especially. So how I am generating massive income on the WIX website. If you're a beginner, so you don't know about the WIX website, if you know about WIX website, so it's very good for you. If you don't know how to generate massive income and how to create a WIX website, I have created already in this video, and in this video I'll tell you step-by-step guidance if you are generating massive income from the WIX website. So how much I did earn from the WIX website. So my name is UB and you are watching my YouTube channel. So I bring here from real information for you guys regarding WIX and Shopify especially, and critical YouTube tips and a lot of things. So if you want to press my campaign, so kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. So yeah, let's start. It is the best video. The earning sources of money from the dollars from the WIX website, from different sources like Amazon, Shopify and other sources, you can generate massive income. So if you want pressing on drop shipping, so I'll tell you the one trick of the drop shipping on the WIX website. So you can create your online store on the WIX website. If you have a lot of products, a lot of things, so you can create your online store from the WIX website especially. Creating WIX website is very easy. So by a free domain, I have created a one video on the WIX website. You can watch in my playlist. So if you watch this completely video on the WIX website, you are able to generate massive income from the WIX website, because in this video I'll tell step-by-step guidance how build a WIX website for free and without domain. So if you use my Discord, so you are able to do something more and more. So step number 10. So kindly creating website and buy a domain free and listing products, in which can we use searching tool, hunting tool, product hunting tool. What type of product are people searching on this Google and from this? So can we buy products from the Alibaba and from different eBay and other e-commerce websites, you can and list here on your store, on your online store. So kindly you can do your drop shipping easily. You can generate massive income on this subsidiary. If you want pressed to generate massive income to drop shipping on a WIX website especially, so you need a online store or online store you can shortlist. So kindly, first of all, you'll have to use product hunting tool. What type of product are people searching on different sources, on different. Only use those keywords and write proper description of the product, and kindly use title of the best title and best keyword in your product listing especially. So if your product listing is very tightly and very good, so you are able to generate massive income, because all of yours or the traffic from it comes from different sources. So first of all, you'll have to their product features. What products are people searching and what are product people interested in this product? If the people are buying this product, so you can generate massive income from WIX website especially. So first of all, I'll tell you three product hunting tool. You can watch here, three product hunting tool. Kindly use them and to hunt the product and to sell out your product especially. So you can watch here on the screen, and especially I mention here some tips and tricks for you if you're a beginner and want to earn massive income from the WIX website especially. Note that before, and kindly note that before using these product hunting tools, so kindly use listing those products which are available in your online store. The online store setting and themes are available in WIX website especially store, but you can buy them from different sources, especially on the WIX website available here. So if you want to rank the WIX website, if you want to SEO the WIX website, I have created already those videos how to do SEO the WIX website and how to generate massive income from the WIX website. So you can generate massive income from those especially. So this was the information I provided in this one video. So I hope you like understand my videos and like how much I earn and how much do I earn from the WIX website. So first of all, I sell out from the bags and socks and lipstick especially, because those products are in the ranking especially, and a lot of women, a lot of girls are buying this product online from different sources. So kindly, if you are impressed, if you are online store from this category, on the fashion category, on the shoes category, so you can generate massive income. Because those shocks and this type of the fashion related materials, so you can generate massive income from those series if you are interested in those. If you are listing product on your WIX store, so I think it's practical for you to generate massive income. Online store have been created by the people on the WIX, especially the big WIX is the best platform for you. So if you're a beginner, so kindly follow me. I'll tell you step-by-step guidance to how to SEO, how to rank, how to sell a product on the WIX website especially. So I created a lot of videos on a WIX website, especially WIX tutorial, so you can watch on the screen. And especially I'll tell you something about a WIX website on my computer screen. Let's get started. Let's move the computer screen.